Turn back time and restore your youthful appearance with the Timeless Lift. We've got Dr. Sonny here, and he's hosting a special event with one of his patients. See real results, and you get to ask real questions. Dr. O is here along with patient Rebecca Imholtz. Guys, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
This is a really unique event. Instead of you just telling people, you know, what you can do or showing pictures, you're bringing Rebecca, and we get to ask her questions, correct? Is that how it works?
Correct. It's actually kind of a great format because I can go over medical, technical things and explain something from my perspective, but sometimes when you're talking to somebody who's actually gone through it and experienced it, it's meaningful, and you can get questions answered that I may not think about
or
answering,
she can
addressing.
answer things that you couldn't answer. You know,
Exactly.
what does it feel like? etc. So let's just go back a little bit. The Timeless Lift. Describe to me the procedure and what it does for a person, because you look amazing. And we're going to show before and after pictures.
Thank you.
Timeless Lift is a in-office procedure that I do under local anesthesia.
Okay.
And it addresses the lower face and neck. So it will lift sagging tissues, remove wrinkles, and remove excess skin.
Okay.
And it just, it depends on what the patient needs, whether it's a lower face or neck or a combination. It's customized to address that patient. And you can see this picture of Rebecca. We'll run that slider in a second.
Yeah, we just will slide it again.
What a tremendous change it's made in her lower face.
That's amazing.
It is, but it looks so natural, and that's the other
it really does.
key to this procedure.
We say it all the time. People saw Rebecca and were like, wow, what are you eating? What do you do? Like they didn't realize that you had a procedure. Let me ask you directly, my chance to ask you questions. Were you hesitant about this procedure, or any anxiety going in?
Well, I really didn't have the procedure in mind.
Yeah.
What started my journey is one of my sons is getting married in 2018.
Okay.
So along with all along with all the excitement and the fun events come seeing family and friends maybe you haven't seen in a long time, all the photo opportunities. I started to look in the mirror and I saw me, but I saw a really tired me. And so I went and had a consult with Dr. O, and he said, what you need is a timeless lift. Because my neck had started to sag.
It happens to all of us.
It happens to all. I mean, there's not. It's called getting
can't avoid it.
Age
right?
and gravity and time. So after my timeless lift, what I didn't expect was not only did my neck get tight again, my jaw got more defined, and I have less wrinkles. So I'm so excited about the wedding for many, great reasons. But
you're going to be prancing down that aisle.
Not like, where's the camera?
She's going to be the best looking mother at the wedding.
Absolutely. When you look at yourself afterwards, were you shocked at the difference? It's truly amazing.
It is.
Yeah. And you have the best bedside manner. Like, if anyone's going to do anything, he's so calm and explains everything. It made you feel very comfortable.
Well, not only does Dr. O have a great bedside manner, but his team at Dr. O, they are amazing. I mean, they are so caring. I believe that it shows. And how they care for you, not only before, during, but after the procedure. You're in it for the long term, and they really guide you through it and all the
I could look at that all day, before and after, truly. So this event, it's next Thursday.
It's November 9th.
November 9th. You have 2 different time periods.
We do. We have one from 12 to 1:30 and from 4:30 to 6. And I encourage patients who are interested in coming to call the office and designate or pick which of the times.
You're going to have little nibbles, and you also have complimentary consultations,
Absolutely,
correct?
yeah. And just
Special
as important
pricing,
is an opportunity to talk with Rebecca, to really get the the straight talk.
I'm sure all your
real
girlfriends have been asking you, like,
they have.
What have you done?
They have, and they are they're like, oh my gosh! I mean, what a difference! You look like you've been on a really long vacation, and I have 3 sons.
That's a good way of putting it. You look relaxed and rested. Yeah.
Well, I feel like my canvas, my face looks refreshed, and that's what Dr. O does. He has such an artistic, visionary perspective to the patient that he sees results that I did not envision, but I'm absolutely thrilled.
You look fantastic. Before we run out of time, Dr. O, is there an age? Like, who's a good target demographic for this, for someone watching?
Because the Timeless Lift is a great option, but we also have non-surgical options. I would say 45 plus.
Okay.
This, I think you can really get some good information and see if the Timeless Lift or other things are appropriate for you.
I think we hit a lot of them right there. A lot of our viewers by saying that 45 plus. Go next week, November 9th. We've got your phone number and your website on the screen. You ask that people call or go online just to RSVP.
Correct.
Let them know that you're going to be there. All right, thank you guys so much for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thank
it was
you for
great
having
talking
us.
to you. Great meeting you. You look fantastic. And we've got more Low Country Live. Sonia has a check on the forecast right after this.